Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Isang disturbing o malungkot na balita na naman ang pag-usapan natin tungkol sa mga tauhan ni VP Inday Sara, yung Commander and Deputy Commander, itong bago lang na buwag na Vice Presidential Protection and Security Group. Posibly daw, according sa report ng Manila Times, na haharap sila ng court martial dahil sa pag-disburse ng confidential funds ni VP Sara. Balita ng Manila Times. Mabilis itong Manila Times. Marami silang sources sa AFP. Yung binalitin nila kahapon, yung pag-disband o deactivate ng Vice Presidential Protection and Security Group. Yun. Anong tawag doon? Silang nauna. Bagay na nagpaliwanag ang AFP na hindi daw na-disband, na-reorganize lang. So ito, tungkol na naman sa posibleng court martial haharapin ng mga tauhan ni VP Sara. Basahin ko 40 minutes ago na post, Manila Times. The former commander and deputy commander of the dissolved Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group could face court-martial proceedings over their alleged involvement in disbursing confidential funds from the Office of the Vice President and the Department of Education. So ito, basahin natin yung article. So, ito na po yung article. By VP Security Men Face Court Martial, report by Red Mendoza, April 6, 2025. The former commander and deputy commander of the dissolved Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group could face court martial proceedings over their alleged involvement in disbursing confidential funds from the Office of the Vice President and Department of Education. A document obtained by Manila Times from sources inside the Office of the Provost Marshal General noted that the office is now creating a fact-finding committee to investigate the involvement of former BPSPG Commander Colonel Raymond Dante La Chica and his Deputy Commander Colonel Dennis Nolasco over the disbursement. Two ranking military officials confirmed the authenticity of the document. So ito, these are supposed to be confidential documents. Yung General Orders 196 calling for the deactivation of the VP Presidential and Security Group, confidential ang classification nun. Bakit nag-leak? So ito na naman, sa Provost Marshal, supposed to be mga confidential ito. Kaya lang, bakit nag-leak? Either magaling lang talaga ang Manila Times, marami silang bubuwit o puting ahas, or sinasadya ng may mga sundalong nananadya na ipalabas itong mga dokumento para malaman ng taong bayan. Okay. The Provost Marshal Group is tasked to conduct investigations to establish whether there is probable cause for them to be subjected to a general court-martial, which would try the respondents based on the information and evidence held by the Provost Marshal Group, which would act as the prosecutor. The current Provost Marshal General is Brigadier General Ferdinand Marcelino of the Philippine Marines. Okay. The undated document also said that due to the impact of the issue, the Provost Marshal Group found it appropriate and proper to propose the creation of a fact-finding committee to investigate the subject officers. The source also said that under instructions from AFP Chief of Staff Romeo Browner Jr., both La Chica and Nolasco are on floating status due to investigations. It was during the hearing of the House Committee on Good Government on November 25, 2024, that La Chica and Nolasco were mentioned in relation to the confidential funds in both agencies then headed by BP Sara. The Special Disbursing Officer Jean Acosta of the OBP said 125 million in confidential funds were disbursed to La Chica on December 20, 2022. Edward Fajarda, the former SDO of DepEd, said he turned over 37.5 million to Nolasco, who was then acting as security officer of DepEd. Both Acosta and Parda claimed that La Chica and Nolasco, respectively, were the ones who managed the allocation. Meanwhile, the AFP source said, tungkol na ito sa deactivation na. So, anyway, these are legal procedures po sa AFP. Normal po yan. Instead na korte, yung mga trial court natin sa ang tawag sa military is court martial. Merong special court martial, may general court martial. Special court martial para sa mabababang ranggo lang. Ito naman general court martial para na dito sa higher ranking. So may due process pa rin. So tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari dito sa dalawang opisyal na nabanggit. Kaya mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa Tribong Talandig sa Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito, tinutulong natin sa tribo, namimigay tayo ng yero at pako para ma-repair ang mga sira-sirang bahay ng Tribong Talandig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Huwag mo na ni ang hero nga ihatag.
Yaga ito, ipakilig nga dyan dito.
Kailan sa tanan Wa pa man ang tagaan.
So 150 ni tanan ka hero. Ang gi butang dire, so magbahin-bahin dayon karon kining natipok ng mga tao, kini karon ang magkuha og kada isa ani tag na pulo. Oo, sige, antilayon ko.
Among balay nga.
Bulsot.